USB-C port not working, charging or recognized on Windows. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the number one step that you can apply if you get this problem is see if you have a hardware issue. If you have a hardware issue, you can do nothing but get it checked and repaired in a technical store. Next is you will have to check whether or not the port is clean or not. Here you can see, make sure the device you are trying to connect works by testing it on another computer. Next step is check for physical damage, like I said earlier. Next step is restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart might fix USB connectivity issues by resetting system configuration. So these are some of the solutions that you can apply to solve this problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.